Do you know that human beings have about 33 vertebrae and snakes have about 200 to 400 of them? No wonder the yogis got inspired by snakes, in fact cobra, to learn how to take care of the spine and to keep it strong and flexible. Namaste, I'm Silky Agarwal. You're watching me on the Yoga Mile, and today we're going to practice Bhujangasana or the Cobra Pose. So let's get started, but make sure that you've read the contraindications in the video description to see if it's safe for you to practice. Bhujangasana is done in a lying down posture. So we literally lie down flat on the floor like a snake, and the starting position is like this, wherein we make sure that both our legs are joined together, aligned very well, knees to knees, thighs to thighs, heels to heels, toes to toes. The palms are near your chest, not near your shoulders, near your chest. Okay, so think rib cage. Place your arms near that. Make sure that your elbows are not falling out. They should be touching your body, aligned with your body, and your forehead is placed on the floor. From here, you have to exhale and tighten your buttocks, thighs. And then as you inhale, slowly lift your upper body straight up like a cobra. Lifting up, up, up till your navel button at the max. Making sure that your shoulders don't go like this and your neck doesn't go like this. Keeping your neck straight. Your shoulders open, chest open. Remember, your entire leg area remains stable. Normal breathing in the posture. And then exhaling. Slowly come down. Place your forehead back on the mat. Release your arms, bring them under the forehead. This is the resting posture, Makarasana. After Bhujangasana, it's important to do Makarasana. And just notice how the heels, instead of being like this, when in relaxing position, your heels should be out and open, toes still touching. That's it. Thank you very much for watching and keep practicing. Don't forget to subscribe.